Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullu's in the kitchen with crazy recipes. Today now I am making in one of the crazy recipe with the help of apples to make the thin slices and make in spicy apple chips with the help of chili powder, salt and oil. Let's check the recipe how I am making. Salt, chili powder, oil, apples. This is the recipe for spicy apple chips. Let's catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First of all, take the 2 apples and cut into very small slices. How you can make? First of all, clean the apples nicely. Same, cut the top and bottom and remove the seeds. Now you can see cut into small slices. I am cutting one apple into round slices like this and another into square shape. Let's check. Tray and grease it with oil for about stickiness. Then put the apple slices. Set it like this. You can add cinnamon powder. It's an best combination for apples. Any recipe you can make with cinnamon powder when you are using the apple for any recipe. You can slice the how much thin you want, but make sure all sizes are equal. It's a layer part. Apply the oil on top. Coat it nicely. It will roast it nicely and you can get in a little bit of crispy. You can keep it for minimum 10 days if you make perfect roast apples. Just add salt on top. Just sprinkle it. Just little bit of a pinch. Sprinkle the round. Don't add extra. See how I am adding. Same like chili powder also, sprinkle it on top little bit. For spicy you can add for spicy chips. I'm adding on a little bit on top. Just sprinkle how much you want. Finally, I sprinkled the salt and coated the oil. Next, sprinkle the chili powder. Then keep it in a oven and roast it nicely for 30 minutes to 35. Apple process is over and I applied like this and preheat the oven 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes before using and keep for 30 to 35 minutes and remove it. And check it frequently. It came to the brown color and bake it for some more 5 minutes. Since people saw the apple fall, but Newton's one who asked the why. It's done. Now I'm removing the apple chips. See, it's crispy and same like aloo chips and so taste and little bit of spicy. When I'm adding salt, when compared to the aloo chips, you can see I cut it into round shape. It's an sweet and sour taste. Sweet, sour, and I added chili powder. Nice combination. Thanks for watching.